Hi folks, Dr. Jeff, audiologist and director of ear care specialists in Nottingham. This one was pretty good. So this patient attended the clinic having had an ear infection diagnosed via their GP. They'd been using some Otomize spray in their ears for about a week, but their symptoms hadn't improved and they suspected that it was blocked. We had a look in the ear and indeed it was blocked off with debris and discharge and all things infection. So we went in there with the microsuction. You see me just zooming in on the microscope there, and you could see this mass of infected materials, which is never going to be good in the ear, so we just clear it out there. So out it comes. The patient felt some instant relief. Pain had eased a little bit. The ear canal wasn't swollen. We just get a little bit more of the discharge and debris there. So now we've got a good view of the eardrum. They can go ahead and continue with their spray and things will start to get better. Thanks for watching.